Before getting the implants and the denture, I dealt with appliances that failed on me, posts that broke a lot, always nervous about public situations, embarrassing situations that involved my teeth. Changed the quality of my life because I don't have to think about my teeth anymore. I don't have to think about, eating on this side or that side. I can smile more out in public. I don't have to worry about any kind of embarrassing situations to where my teeth might fail. I think Dr. Gurney was fairly amazing. He explained everything from top to bottom. I thought he said some stuff to me that I guess I didn't really think that it was a big deal, but going through the process, I learned that to listen to what he said, and because it did work out the way he said it was going to work out. All the rest of the staff have been super nice to me, and it's been a great experience.